Are you looking for a way to arrange the feeders in your brooder? Don't worry, in this video I'll be telling you how to arrange the feeders and the drinkers in your brooder pen, as in your brooder. I'm Chijindu Ryan from Fiesta Academy. In the arrangement of the feeders in your brooder, here are some things you need to consider. One, where do they normally stay? Because you need to place a feeder for them at the exact place that they normally stay, most especially if you are using a tray. So feeder should be there so that they can sleep inside it. Because normally I used to use a tray for the first 4 days. I will use a tray. Then after the 4 days, I can change to another feeder. In some cases, at times I will use the tray to after 7 days. Then I will switch to another feeder. And so you need to place their feeders very close to them, not just their feeder, but their drinker. And you will do it like this, like 1, 2, 3 feeder, and then one drinker, 1, 2, 3 feeder, one drinker. Because some broilers are very lazy. As in starting from when they are still day old, they are very lazy. So you need to keep the drinker for them so that they can easily have access to their drinking water. So their feeder should be very close to their drinker, and their drinker should be very close to the feeder. Not formally, I used to place my drinkers in the middle, then feeders by the left and right. But as the time goes by, I begin to notice that it's not the right approach, because some will eat and will not drink water. And so you need to place it correctly. Most especially, you check for the place that they normally stay. Then you place a feeder and a drinker for them so that they can have easy access to both the feeder and the drinker. And when placing the feeder, you need to make out a space for them so that they can exercise, as in not jam pack everywhere with feeder. If there is no space for them to exercise, that means your brooder is not big enough. You need a bigger brooder, or you remove 1 or 2 feeders. Then by the time they are 2 weeks, or what's it called, before the time they get to 2 weeks, you can expand their brooder if you made it expandable, or after the 2 weeks or 3 weeks you will move them to their permanent location. But just try to make a space for them to move around and exercise their body. Thank you. But above everything, in all you are doing as a broiler poultry farmer, go with God, do everything with God. For you to succeed as a broiler poultry farmer, you need God. It's by His grace that you tried brooding your first 100 or first 50 or first 200, and you didn't record mortality. It's by grace, not by hard works. It's not by hard work, not by works at all, because you can do everything right, as in get everything right, and you still record a high level of mortality. So just try to do everything you're doing by the grace of God.